Hello, creators, and welcome to Creating with Miss Kaye. If this is your first time visiting my channel and you like to be inspired, you love to decorate, why don't you go ahead and click the subscribe button? And to my current subscribers, new and old, I would like for you to know it is a privilege and an honor to have you back here on my channel. Thank you so much. You are so loved and appreciated. The Valentine season is in full bloom, and I am coming to you with a Valentine's tablescape. This tablescape is a part of a collaboration hosted by Home Decor, DIYs, and more with Tangie Webb. Please be sure to go by her channel. She is putting out some beautiful, beautiful decorating ideas, and her co-host is Styled by Miss Linda. She too, these girls are awesome. Excuse me, these ladies are awesome. They are bringing out some videos that have just blown my mind. In the YouTube streets, they are known as the Glam bosses, so make sure you check them out. I am going to leave the links to both of their channels in my description box, as well as the playlist. Please be sure to go by the playlist and watch everyone's video. What we had to do was a tablescape using Valentine's Day colors: pink, red, white. I'm not for sure if it was supposed to be a combination of the three colors, but anyway, sorry, I did a petal pink passion tablescape. I hope that you will enjoy. Because these ladies are glam bosses, I had to bring some glam to them. It was only fitting that if they like glam, bring them glam. So I painted these candlesticks pink and added just a little glitter. I'm using every bit of glam and bling that I had around, but I still wanted it soft yet romantic. That just using my touches of pink and my pink rose petals. There is my napkin that I folded into a rose, so fitting for Valentine's Day. My placemat that is in pink is from the Dollar Tree. I added just a little bit of extra glitter to it. They are $1, but you can add on to them. I added a few Hershey Kisses, pink of course, to my glasses. So I am very pleased with how my tablescape turned out. My head table, I just changed it up just a tad bit and used pink bowls. And my other, for my guests, I'm just using the white and silver bowls. Normally, I would not use gold flatware. But when I put the silver on, it wasn't doing enough. So I added these gold flatware, and you know what? It gave me the pop that I was looking for. And then I turned around and used my clear and gold stemware. And I think it looks so beautiful. I love just that little pop of gold. This gave me an opportunity to decorate my hutch with silvers, golds, and pink. And you know what? It flows so well to me. I love it. I hope that you like it. Miss Linda, Tangie, I hope that you ladies like it. I hope it's giving enough glam for the glam bosses. I'm going to let you continue to watch the video. And remember, if you like it, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Be blessed, be safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, ladies, so much for hosting this Valentines, inspirational collaboration. Bye bye.